Hi, what's up guys? Vision Sanjay here. This video shows you the official specifications of the upcoming smartphone Honor 10X Lite. This smartphone sports IPS LCD center punch hole display with Kirin 710A octa-core processor. It packs a 5000 mAh large battery with 22.5 watt fast charging. It also sports quad camera, AI quad camera with 48 megapixel primary sensor, and a lot of these features are matching Micromax In Note 1's feature. So this smartphone will be a great competitor to the Micromax In Note 1, and also this smartphone will be priced at the same range, that is of 15,000 rupees. So what do you think about this? Please do comment down in the comment section, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye bye.